Hello everyone, this video is about useMemo hook. We will explain just useMemo hook. What is useMemo hook? useMemo hook is used to apply memoization in React. So now what is memoization? Memoization is a technique for improving the performance of our code. And it is useful to avoid expensive calculations on every render when the return value is not changed. We don't, for example, I will just show you it in example. So let's see the example. This is an example which I have created. So this is example. So let's check it. Okay, this is an example. Okay, let's press it will change the number. Okay, so whenever we press this button, so it will take some time to change this number. See, we press this button, that button, but it will see that has take 2-3 seconds. Whenever we press this toggle, also it take sometimes, but we don't need with this toggle button. Okay, we should not wait whenever we press the toggle button. When we change the number, we should wait. So this is the problem that we have. Okay, when we press the toggle, it takes some time. It again takes a time to toggle. Okay, we don't need this time whenever we press toggle, because we are not changing the number when we press the toggle button. So for this purpose, the performance of our code is not good, and we need to remove this wait. Okay, to not wait whenever we don't need. So for that, this is the code. Okay, this is the example. I have two state variable, number and dark. This is the number that we would like to update. This I have used this in input field for that. Whenever we change, so it will change the number, and this button is used for toggle. Okay, for dark. Whenever that is true, so it will background will be black. If again that came to false, it will be white. So this is the example that we have created, and here we called a function. See, this is the function we have called calculation, and we passed number here, and we use this for loop. This for loop is just for the purpose to show you the wait, the performance. Okay, that we are waiting for a task. So maybe you are running some other task of code, other piece of code, but just this example, this for loop is just to show you this bug. We return back the same number, and we store that here, and we display that back here. So now whenever we press this toggle button, we should not wait. So for that, we are using useMemo hook. So let's first of all use useMemo hook. useMemo. This is same to use effect hook. Okay, the syntax and everything is same to the use effect hook, but the difference is that this return a value, but the use effect hook does not return a value. It will run whenever we change the number. Okay, whenever we change this number, so it will be run again. It will re-render. So we will call that method now inside this useMemo. Yeah, that is calculation, and we will pass number to that. And let's pass number to that. And also we will store the value, return value inside const cnum is equal to this. Okay, let's remove now this. So let's check it now. Okay, let's come here and let's press this button. So whenever we press this button, it will take some time to update the value. See, that took the wait sometimes. So let's just take C. Let's just write return statement here to return that value. Come here now. So let's press. Now let's refresh it. See, the value has printed. Again, if you press this, so it will take some time, then it will update the value. See, that took some time. But if we press this toggle, see, ultimately without wasting any time, it is just toggling and changing the background. So it was all about useMemo hook, that we just saved our time and improved the performance of our code. So this was all about useMemo hook for memoization in reactjs. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.